How to fix Pinterest picture not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest picture not showing on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find apps, and now apps again, and here we'll find Pinterest. Now all you need to do, just click on it and then click force stop here and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just click on your gallery here and delete some videos and photos, and then restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And if that also doesn't fix it, go to Play Store and check if there's any updates and update your Pinterest. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.